Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel we bring you guys a variety of tech-related content. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when new content is being released. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect an EdgeRouter to a UNMS server. Alright guys, so today's video is just going to be a quick video on showing you how to connect an EdgeRouter to a UNMS server, and then once connected, how to update the firmware on that EdgeRouter from within the UNMS software. I'm not going to show how to install the UNMS server software. There are a couple of YouTubers out there that have done videos on that already. So that being said, let's get started with the process. Alright guys, so we're logged into my UNMS server. We're looking at the dashboard page. And the first thing we have to do in order to add an EdgeRouter to this server is to create a site where that EdgeRouter is going to live. So if we come on over to the left and we click on the sites icon, there you see a list of sites that are already a part of this UNMS server. So the first thing we need to do then is come up and click on the new site button. And over on the right side of the screen, we're just going to add in the information for the new site. So I'm going to call this lab. I'm going to call this 123 Lab Way. And down at the bottom here, you put a contact person in. I'm just going to put my first name in for now, and a phone number, and then an email address. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now what you'll notice is once the site is added, it's inactive, and the site will stay inactive until an EdgeRouter is added to that site. That's when it does become active. So the next step is to come over to the Devices tab, and we're going to click on Add Device so that we can get our UNMS key. So we're going to say Add Device, and down over here we're looking at our UNMS key, and what we have to do is copy that key and paste it over into the EdgeRouter. Now I already have mine copied, so I'm not going to copy it again, but I just wanted to show you how to find your UNMS key if you didn't know that. Okay, now that we have our key copied, the next step is to jump on over to the EdgeRouter. So now we're signed into the EdgeRouter, and we're going to come down to the System tab, and we're going to look for Management Settings, and we're going to find the section that says UNMS Connection. We're going to enable that connection, and we're going to paste in the key that we copied over from the UNMS server. Once we've done that, we'll scroll all the way down and we're going to click on Save. And we should get a message to refresh the page shortly. There we go, so let's refresh the page. Now that we've added the key to our EdgeRouter, we have to go back over to the UNMS server, and then we have to authorize the new device into that new site that we created. Let me show you. So let's go back over to the UNMS server, and you can see here is the new unauthorized device. It's the EdgeRouter X. So we're going to click on the Authorize button, and from here we're going to select the site by clicking on the drop-down menu, and we're going to come down to the lab site that we created, and we're going to go ahead and click on the Authorize button. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, we've authorized the EdgeRouter. It's now working and it's available to be managed through the UNMS server. The next thing we're going to do is upgrade the firmware. You can see we're running firmware version 1.10.3. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the Firmware tab, and we're going to select the device, and we're going to come over and we're going to say upgrade one device. Now this does take a few minutes. The device has to be restarted through the UNMS server, so I'll be back once the process has been completed. Alright, so the process is completed. The EdgeRouter is now running version 1.10.5, and the whole upgrade process through the UNMS server took about 3.5 minutes. Now think about what a great tool this is to be able to manage these devices remotely. Not only EdgeRouters, but other UNMS compatible devices. From a productivity standpoint, from a time standpoint, not to have to go out on location to run these upgrades is a great time saver. So guys, that's about it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And please use those Amazon affiliate links. It doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.